concentrated on novels. Well, fast forward, producers started coming to me to try to adapt my books to film or television. And one thing I noticed was that it kept falling apart at the script stage. So I decided, especially since I married Stephen Barnes, who already knew how to write screenplays, that I would learn how to write screenplays. I thought that would help me give those projects a leg up. Well, it wasn't that easy, but nowadays, actually, it is a lot easier for people coming from the outside to get paired up with a showrunner or to actually get a seat at the table. And if you're not ready, if you've never written a script, you've never learned how to write scripts, not only are you leaving money on the table, but you're giving up all kinds of control. So I really think that prose writers should study screenwriting. Even if you don't want to work in Hollywood, even if you aren't interested in adaptations, you could learn about story structure in a way MFA programs often do not teach it. You can learn about visual storytelling, characterization, dialogue. That's why Steve and I are offering our only screenwriting workshop in 2023, this Saturday, September 23rd. It's virtual, 3-hour toolbox where we cover everything from how do you format it, what's a good program to use, to what's pitching like, what's the writer's room like, craft, and Q&A. Even if you can't stay for the whole 3 hours, you can get the replay later. Even if you can't make it at all, you can get the replay later. So please do check it out at www.hollywoodloophole.com. That's www.hollywoodloophole.com. This Saturday, one time only, time is running out, and even though this workshop is $197, if you really can't afford that, just go to the site and you'll see we have a chance for you to write us and say, hey, I'd like to take the course. This is what I can offer. Don't let anything stop you from claiming your next stage and your evolution as a writer. www.hollywoodloophole.com, Saturday. Hope to see you there.